Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff with the Collector Car Network, and today we're going to be taking a look at a $3 million 1969 Chevrolet Corvette ZL1. But before we get into that, first, a quick word from our sponsor.
Today's video is sponsored by Land Air Sea. Keep tabs on all your valuable assets from the palm of your hand. Remember, with Land Air Sea, theft is temporary. Visit landairSea.com to order your Land Air Sea GPS unit for your classic vehicle.
So today we're looking at one of two $3 million 1969 Chevrolet Corvette ZL1 convertibles. So yeah, you heard me correctly. There were only two cars produced. There's a yellow car and an orange car, and specifically we have the orange convertible behind us.
There is a rumored third ZL1, which is a white T-top car, but Chevrolet production records only show two cars as being produced. What made the ZL1 so special was the massive aluminum 427 cubic inch ZL1 V8, which was a refined version of the already exclusive L88 motor, developed by GM to be used as a race engine in the Can-Am race series and never really intended to be sold to the public. The engine was rated at 430 horsepower, although true output was believed to be more like 560 horsepower, making it the most powerful engine Chevrolet had created at the time. In order to get your hands on the ZL1, you needed two things. The first being lots of money. The RPO ZL1 required an additional $4,718 of the base Corvette MSRP, more than doubling the cost of the car. The other thing you needed was influential friends in high places. John Maher, who bought this car new in 1969 after trading in his 1968 L88 Corvette convertible, was friends with Don Yanko, Copo extraordinaire, who with the assistance of Grady Davis, the SCCA champion and vice president at Gulf Research, was informed of the existence of the ZL1 option and helped push through the paperwork to get the car approved by GM authorities. So what we have here is a Monaco Orange 1969 ZL1 convertible making 560 horsepower and mated to an M40 automatic transmission so John Maher could take it racing.
Let's talk about the sister car for a sec. I had mentioned earlier there was a sister car that was yellow. So that sister car, there's rumored to be a third car, but we won't get into that. There is a second car that is a yellow sister car, and was actually reportedly taken by the DEA, where it was then auctioned off again. So the other car has some fun, exciting history, and then we of course have the beautiful orange car that could potentially sell for as much as $3 million at auction, and is just one of two C3 Corvettes. This is by far the most expensive, most desirable C3 Corvette in existence. So just a quick note to look at that car. Crazy to see what it's going to sell for, but if you are looking for a collector car yourself or a C3 Corvette, be sure to check out AutoHunter.com, which is our online auction with cars going live every single weekday, or ClassicCars.com, which is our online marketplace and has cars going live every day and has over 30,000 cars currently on the site. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button for us. We really appreciate it, and get subscribed for more content like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching.